Are you thinking of starting a garden? That's great. Choosing the right plants for your garden can be a bit daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Number 1. Sunlight. Most plants need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day to thrive. However, there are some plants that can tolerate less sunlight, such as shade-loving plants like hostas and ferns. And there are some plants that can tolerate more sunlight, such as succulents and cacti. So choose plants according to how much sunlight your garden gets per day. 2. Soil. The type of soil in your garden is also important to consider. Some plants prefer sandy soil, while others prefer clay soil. There are also plants that prefer neutral soil, acidic soil, or alkaline soil. You can test your soil's pH level with a soil test kit and then choose plants that either love acidic, neutral, or alkaline soil. 3. Water. The amount of water your garden gets will also affect the types of plants you can grow. Some plants are drought-tolerant, while others need regular watering. If you live in an area with hot, dry summers, you'll need to choose plants that can handle these conditions. Number 4. Climate. The climate in your area is another important factor to consider. Some plants are cold-hardy, while others are not. If you live in an area with cold winters, you'll need to choose plants that can withstand these conditions. 5. Hardiness zone. Your plant hardiness zone is a map that shows the average minimum winter temperature for your area. This will help you choose plants that are hardy to your climate. You can find your plant hardiness zone by searching online or by contacting your local nursery. 6. Flowering time. When do you want your plants to bloom? Some plants bloom in the spring, while others bloom in the summer or fall. If you want your garden to be in bloom all year round, you'll need to choose plants that bloom at different times of the year. I hope this helps. Choosing the right plants for your garden can be a bit daunting, but it doesn't have to be. By considering all of these factors, you can choose the plants that are right for you and your garden.